Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your earbuds Sony LinkBuds. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on, so go to the settings, Bluetooth and check it. If it's turned off, just turn on it and click on your earbuds at the device list. And we have connection. If it didn't help you, we should perform a soft reset. Put your earbuds to the charging case. Now close the case and your earbuds will disconnect it from your phone, so then you just open it and remove your earbuds from the charging case. And we should have connection. Here we go. If it also didn't help you, I recommend it to remove and add these earbuds. So click the information icon or settings icon. Forget the device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device, and after that put your earbuds to the charging case and press and hold this connection button to enter pairing mode. So this LED light should flash blue. Here we go. Now click on your earbuds at the device list, and we did it. But if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a hard reset. So put your earbuds to the charging case and after that close the case. Now open it, and then you need to press and hold this connection button at the back side. So this LED light start flashing orange, and you need to wait until it stopped flashing orange. Okay, we have orange, and I keep pressing on the connection button. Okay, it stopped. After that, remove your earbuds from the charging case and it will reconnect to your phone, so we should have connection right here at the device list. We should see it. And we have it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.